So let's check Matthew 24 verse 29. I want us to check all of them so that we will have something to talk about. Matthew 24 verse 29 describes cosmistic phenomena that will occur immediately after the tribulation of those days, including the sun being darkened, the moon not giving its light, stars falling from the sky, and the power of the heavens being shaken. All proceedings, the appearance of the Son of Man, the passage is part of Jesus' explanation of his second coming. The sun will be darkened and the moon will not give its light. The stars will fall from the sky. The power of the heavens will be shaken, right? The power of heavens will be